Hey everybody, today we're going to put a cabin air filter in the 2016 Volkswagen Passat. Yeah, I did a video a year ago, so it is time to get this thing changed out, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. Try to allude to some of the things that I may have missed in the last video a year ago, but it's very, very easy without the video. Doing the video, it would probably take you in real time about 10 minutes to do it. It's pretty easy. But people are a little nervous about doing it. I don't know why, but I guess if you're not used to working on cars, that makes sense. That's why I'm here. So anyway, we've got the filter. I'm going to show you how to take the old one out, put this one in. You'll be good to go for another year. I think a year is probably good. I mean, you can do it more frequently than that, but I'm going to leave links in the description for the filters that I've used. I used a Bosch HEPA filter last time. It's very nice. You know, they have standards as far as the particles that it filters out and all that stuff. So, you know, but this one's not a HEPA filter. It's a charcoal filter, but hey, get the filter you like. But I'll put links for a couple filters that I like, that I've used, had good luck with in the description. Click on those. They're very inexpensive. Hopefully this will show you how to install that. All right, guys, let's get after it. Okay, this is the 2016 Volkswagen Passat. Now this filter goes for many other years. I'm not sure exactly what years, but a wide range of years and models. So, but even if it's a different filter for your particular car, just look it up, punch in your car information. It will tell you what filter you need, the shape and size, but they're all pretty standard, especially in the Volkswagens. All right, so we want to come around to the passenger side here. I kind of have it tucked in the garage a little bit so I can stay dry. It's been raining a little bit. So underneath the glove compartment on the passenger side, you want to get down in here, move the seat back a little bit so you have some room. This is what we're going to work with, is up under here. Now, I'm going to get some light here for you and show you what's going on. So today you're not going to need any tools whatsoever. You're just going to need your air filter. Okay, like I said, the one that fits your car. Let's go get the old filter out. That's better. Okay, now you have these two little twisty screws. You just take those and twist them off. So let's get to the first one. Like that. Unscrew it. Boom. Do the same thing with the other one. Boom. All right. This piece of carpet should just pull right out. So you want to reach all the way to the back. Fingers in there. And just pull. It's not really carpet. It's kind of like, I don't know, soft plastic or cardboard or something. Just pull that piece out. Get it out of the way. So that's pretty much it for that. Now underneath here, this is where the filter goes. So there's a tab right here. Just push it to the right. Boom. Comes off. You want to take that with you to the workbench, or you can just do it right here. But for demonstration, I'm going to take it to the workbench. Now your filter is right here, just like the one I showed you. So just grab one end of it, and it comes out pretty easily. Wow, this thing doesn't really even need to be changed. Well, yeah, it does. There you go. That's 1 year's worth of dirt. Now, I haven't been in a dirty environment or anything, but per se, but yeah, it's good to change it. So here we go. It's not too bad. The first one I changed a year ago was horrible. I don't think anybody had ever changed it because I bought this car used. So just take your filter here. That's it. And let's go show you how to put the other one on. All right, so I'm back over to at the bench. This is the old filter. Again, you know, yeah, it's time. But anyway, you just want to make sure that your filters match up. The size, those slots on the bottom, you want to make sure that they match up, and they do. I know it's the correct filter, just a different brand. This is a Bosch HEPA filter. Very, very good filter. I'll put that link in the description. Again, just click on that. You can pick that up. Pretty inexpensive. This time I got a deal. This is a charcoal filter. We'll see how it works. I'm sure it's going to be fine. The reviews were pretty good on it. So now this is what I pulled out of the car before I pulled the filter down. These notches here, you can see, they go in the grooves here, like that. But what we want to do is put the filter in first, then we apply this, push this way, and then it's locked into place. It's that simple, guys. Now, if you're like me, I didn't want to do it because of the noise during the video, but if you're like me, I took a little extension from on a vacuum, and I just kind of put it up in there and sucked any loose particles out of there, just dust or dirt, before I put the new filter in. So I encourage that. You don't have to do it, but I did it just for demonstration purposes. I didn't show you because obviously you probably know how to use a vacuum cleaner, right? Okay, I thought so. But anyway, let's get the old filter or the new filter in. And just to give you a close-up before I set the camera back, that's where it goes. It goes in that slot there. I just wanted to give you a better view of it. Yeah, nothing fancy, nothing complicated. So grab the new filter. I do want to point out, see where it says airflow that way? Well, that's fine. Yeah, thank you for that. But really, you just need to line up the slots, and the cover only goes on one way, and it's this way. So either way is a reference. So line it up in the slot there.
So you want to line it up in here.
Whoops. All right, so get it started. Just line it up in there and just gently push it in both sides until it's flush. There you go. It won't go anymore. Now let's put the cover on. Grab the cover. Line those notches up with the notches on the filter. Again, this is kind of a tight spot, but that's pretty much it. Hold it up there and then just push it left. And you can use this notch to do it. There, it's locked into place. Completely locked in. It's not gonna rattle, it's not gonna move. It's really tight. Now you wanna take your cover here and work it back in. Just come underneath here. I'm gonna need both hands. And you want to line these holes up with these things here. You know, there's only one way to put it back in. Tuck it in there. I don't know why they don't put this filter someplace else. It's just how they roll. All right, I needed two hands, obviously. But it's pretty simple. Just line it up with all the holes, and you have that on. Don't forget your two screws we need to put back in, the little twist screws. So really, there's only one way to put this back together. It won't let you do it any other way. You'll know if it's wrong. So get that one, just snug it up. And put the other one. There we go. Now I'm doing this one-handed basically, pretty much. And like I said, it would only take like 10 minutes if you do it yourself. You're not going to be making a video while you're doing it. What I always like to do, just come in and start the car and turn it on. Turn the fan on all the way. See if you have any noises or anything going on. Sounds great. Sounds like it's supposed to. So yeah, just check it out. Always want to check your work. All right, that does it, guys. Thanks for watching. First, I want to thank all of my subscribers. And if you're new to the channel, do the channel a favor, hit subscribe, like the video. Check out all the videos I have. I have tons of videos on this car, 2016 Volkswagen Passat, from maintenance to mods. More mods to come, and there's always maintenance to do. So yeah, thanks so much, guys, and we'll see you next time. Later.